Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyanjyoti online classes. I am your English teacher. Today we discuss about Police Plus, chapter number 7. Okay. So, dear student, first you open your book, page number 56. 56, chapter 7, Police Plus. Okay. So dear student, just I have starting a question for you. What is your favorite festival? What is your favorite festival? So maximum student giving the answer, knowing about the Holi, Diwali, Dasera, Rath Yatra, many festivals in our India celebrated, and we have to celebrate many festivals in Odisha also. How to celebrate it? Okay, so how do we celebrate it? So first, just we have to discuss about Holi's class. What is Holi and why we enjoy it and which type of enjoying do you know? आप लोग सब जानते हैं होली किस तरह से हम लोग एंजॉय करते हैं. इट इज द डे ऑफ होली. Rachit and his sister. One of the boys' name Rachit and his sister Kriti. Okay, so mind it. The name is Rachit and his sister Kriti are on the balcony of their house. Let us find out what they are talking about. So one of the balcony side, they are watching to play a holy. Maximum boys and girls is there. Okay, so first Kriti said, oh, a water balloon is coming my way. So maximum boys and girls and friends are celebrating the Holi. Is enjoyable, a gulal run, maximum the pitchkari. Okay, so a water balloon is coming my way. So Kriti said, मेरा पास जो है मेरे सामने जो है एक वाटर बैलून चली आ रही है. Rachit, duck down. Holi is the much fun. It's my favorite festival. So Rachit favorite festival is the Holi. Okay, mind it. So duck down यानी नीचे झुक जाओ, नहीं तो ये तुम्हें लग जाएगा. और जैसे रंग में हम लोग पूरे सरावर हो जाते हैं और रंग में रंग जाते हैं उस दिन. So Rachit said, duck down. Holi is there so much fun. It's my favorite festival. बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. आप लोग कैसा लगता है? तो होली हम लोग बहुत धूमधाम से खेलते हैं और होली का त्यौहार जो है बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है दोस्तों के साथ. सो वी हैव एंजॉयड ए लॉट ऑफ ये कलर्स गुलाल. ओके, सो कृति लुक एट द ब्यूटीफुल कलर्स. मैक्सिमम कलर्स देयर लाइक red and green, yellow. Maximum color is there. Then we have to enjoy very much Holi. Rachit, look, Rachit just waits Raj with his water gun. Then another person, another name is Raj with his water gun. हम लोग वाटर गन का भी यूज करते हैं. तो राज जो है वाटर गन के साथ चले आ रहा है. Kitty, wait till Raj gets back at him. Rachit looks so how Sima is running after Samaya. And one of the names, another name is Sima running after Sama. One of the name is Sama. So look how Sima is running after Sama. So सारे दोस्त यहाँ पे होली खेल रहे हैं. जैसे कि प्रीति, रचित, राज, सीमा and Samar. So Kriti said, Samar is the cover. It's red gulal from head to toe. He looks like a clown. जैसे एक क्लाउन की तरह लग रहे हैं. जैसे समर जो पूरा बॉडी कलर से भरा हुआ है. नीचे हमारे टॉय से लेकर हेड तक पूरा समर जो है गुलाल में ढका हुआ है. बहुत ही अजीब टाइप का दिख रहा है, क्लाउन टाइप का दिख रहा है. Rachit, wait till your turn comes. Kriti, I have full bag of color ready. Anyone comes close. So Kriti बोल रही है कि अगर पूरा मैं बैग में कलर रखा हूँ, पूरा रेडी हूँ मैं, अगर मेरे पास कोई आते हैं उसको मैं कलर लगाने का भी नहीं छोड़ूंगा. So we have to also ready for another to colors it in Holi season. Holi is a very fun and enjoyable festivals. So Rachit, one of the another page we have to 57th page you have to open. Then Rachit, we see, did you have the sweet that mom made? That day different item is made by mom and another person. So we have to enjoy to eat. Okay, हम लोग उस दिन बहुत ही मजे लेते हैं कुछ बनाने के लिए। मम्मी को बोलते हैं, मम्मी ऑलरेडी बनाते हैं और हम लोग उसी खाकर बहुत ही मजा लेते हैं। Then Kriti said, oh yes, they were very tasty. She always makes from on Holi. कृति बोल रही है कि हाँ ये बहुत ही स्वादिष्ट है और मम्मी जो है उस दिन होली के दिन कुछ ना कुछ बनाती है और उस दिन बहुत ही मजा आता है हम लोग खाकर। रचित, लेट्स गो प्ले होली। देन रचित, तो चलो हम लोग होली खेलते हैं। कृति सर, आई होप दैट द कलर्स डोंट मेक मी इची ऑल ओवर। कलर में क्या है, कुछ ऐसे केमिकल्स चीज लगा रहता है तो उससे क्या है हमें परेशानी होता है। सो आई होप दैट, कृति सेड, आई होप दैट द कलर डोंट मेक मी इची ऑल ओवर। तो सब तरफ थोड़ा अजीब टाइप का लग रहा है, खुजली खुजली टाइप का लग रहा है, जैसे कुछ काट टाइप का लग रहा है। रची, डोंट वरी, दिस आर नेचुरल कलर, दिस कलर आर सेफ, देयर आर नो केमिकल इन दैट। सो Holi is very fun, but every businessman is not good, and they have to selling some chemicals colors also. So Rachi said, don't worry, these are natural color. कुछ नेचुरल कलर्स पे रहता है जिससे कोई हमें इचिंग नहीं होता, कुछ परेशानी नहीं होता, लेकिन ऐसा भी कलर रहता है जिससे लगने से बहुत ही केमिकल्स रहता है और उससे क्या है हमें बॉडी में इन्फेक्शन भी हो जाता है। इससे हम लोग बच के रहना चाहिए होली के दिन। जैसे हम लोग नेचुरल कलर ही यूज करना चाहिए। सो कृति सर, ओ गॉड, गुड दैट लेट्स जॉइन देम। रचित, आई होप यू आर वेयरिंग ओल्ड क्लॉथ्स। तो हम लोग क्या है उस दिन नए कपड़े तो पहन नहीं सकते, ओल्ड कपड़े ही पहनते हैं जो मतलब बहुत यूज कर लेते हैं, उस दिन के लिए खास तौर पे रखा जाता है। उसी को हम लोग सुबह से पहन के निकलते हैं क्योंकि उस दिन जो है कपड़े का धज्जिया उड़ जाता है और उस दिन जो है कलर में पूरा सराबोर हो जाता है। जो पहने हुए कपड़ा कहाँ कहाँ पे कौन सा कलर लगता है ये मालूम रहता है, तो उस दिन जो है हम लोग ओल्ड कपड़े पहनते हैं। सो आई एम वेयरिंग ओल्ड क्लॉथ्स, द सेड ऑफ रचित। देन कृति, ओ यस, आई डू नॉट वांट टू डर्टी माय न्यू ड्रेस। सुकृति, हाँ, और मैं नया ड्रेस अपना गंदा नहीं करना चाहता, जो गंदा है जो पुराना है उसको पहन के ही हम लोग होली मनाएंगे। बट वी हैव टू एंजॉय वेरी मच। होली जो है मनाने के लिए नहीं भूलेंगे, बट वी हैव टू वेयर ए ओल्ड क्लॉथ्स, डर्टी क्लॉथ्स। रचित सर, गुड, माय वाटर गन इज रेडी। देन रचित बोल रहा है कि मेरा वाटर गन जो है रेडी है। क्योंकि द वाटर बैलून्स आर आल्सो रेडी। वाटर बैलून्स भी जो है रेडी रहता है जिसमें कि कलर भरा रहता है और किसी को अगर उसको फेंक के मारने से है तो उसमें पूरा कलर से सराबा हो जाएगा सामने वाला। सो वी हैव टू लॉट ऑफ एंजॉय इन होली सीजन by the friend, by the family and another person. Then Rachit said, I think I should color you first. Oh, Ramesh runs toward Kriti with his water can, but water balloons coming his Rachit in the face. तो रचित और कृति बहुत ही होली खेल रहे हैं, दोनों भाई बहन, और बहुत ही इंजॉय कर रहे हैं। जैसे रचित जो है अपना वाटर गन के लेके दौड़ता है और वाटर गन में कुछ कलर लेके कृति को जैसे ही मारता है तो कृति भी जो है वाटर बैलून्स लेके दौड़ता है और रचित के फेस में मारता है। तो ये बहुत ही एंजॉयबल रहता है, बहुत ही मनमोहक और बहुत ही उम्दा कुछ ये आपका होली जो सीजन रहता है बहुत ही एंजॉयबल। कृति, हाँ, इट वाज समर्स बैलून। रचित हैज टू डाउन एंड टीच हिम ए लेसन। सो समर्स जो है अपना बैलून लेके दौड़ता है तो उसको भी मजा चखाने के लिए दोनों फिर दौड़ते हैं। रचित हैज गो डाउन एंड टीच हिम द लेसन। इट्स अ वेरी interesting festival. Holi Splash is very enjoyable to everyone, and nowadays India celebrates maximum people in Odisha also. Holi is a very fun and enjoyable festival. So dear student, you have to know this, and I hope you have understand better. So first you open your copy, English copy, then you have to write some new words. Okay, so here is new words. You have to write 8 new words. First, duck. What is the meaning of duck? To lawyer. To lawyer, head, and body quickly. Gulal. Just I say about what is gulal? Powder. Powder. Color. Used to play holy. It's very interesting and very remarkable powders, colors, chemicals. Is very dangerous for us. Chemicals, and some bad person are using these chemical colors that they artificial substance. So dear student, first you know the duck to lower head and body quickly. Okay. Then gulal, the powder of color used to play Holi. We have to enjoy that day, and we have to celebrate what is Holi. That is gulal, a powder of color used to play Holi. That day we have to enjoy more and much. Then chemical, artificial substance. This is very dangerous for us. So some bad person are using it on face or body. It's very dangerous because bodies are in bodies we have to lapping that are very dangerous. So don't use a chemical color in body. Okay. So dear student, first you know this one, then we have to do some question answer. Okay, so be ready. 58 page you have to open. Okay, 58 page. Okay, so dear student, match the question with the correct answer. Okay, here is the some words, some sentence. Okay, match this question with the correct answer. Okay, so dear student, first you open your book and match it. Okay, then you have to correct or written in your copy. Match the question with the correct answer. Who is Kriti's brother? Who is, we have no. Who is Rachit? Rachit is the right answer. Who is Kriti's brother? The answer is Rachit. Okay. Then second number, who wet Raj with his water gun? Who wet? Seema. Okay. Who is wet? Here is Seema. Who is afraid that police color will make the skin itch? Third number, Kriti. Who is running after Sama? Number 4 is what? Number 4 is Seema, and number 2 is Rohit. Then number 4, who is running after Summer? Seema. And number 5, whose water balloon is hit Rachit? Number 5, Summer. Okay. So just I explain again. Who is Kriti's brother? First Rachit. Number 2, who wet Raj with his water gun? Number 2, Rohit. Number 3, who is afraid that police color will make the skin itchy? Number 3 is Kriti. Number 4, who is running after Summer? Seema. Whose water balloon is Rachit? Hit Rachit. Number 5 is Summer. Okay. So dear student, just you know, match the question answer with the correct answer. Then you have to answer in one verse. Okay. That this is for you. Answer in one word. Which festival are Rachit and Kriti celebrating? Which festival? So I am just written Holi. Okay. Which festival? Holi. And where were Rachit? Number second. Where were Rachit and his sister Kriti standing on the balcony? Balcony में ही खड़े थे हम लोग. What does Rachit and Kriti's mother make? What? Sweet. कृति का माँ जो है क्या बनाई थी? स्वीट. कुछ स्वीट्स बनाए थे, कुछ मीठे बनाए थे जो कि हम लोग को उस दिन खाने में बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. नंबर 4. व्हाट आर नॉट प्रेजेंट इन नेचुरल कलर? गुलाल और केमिकल कलर्स. ओके. सम कलर इज वेरी डेंजरस. जस्ट आई टोल्ड यू दैट इज द गुलाल और केमिकल कलर्स. इट्स वेरी डेंजरस फॉर यू. Then tick the things that are natural. Which one? Natural. Some picture is here. Car, temple, sun, and some fruits are there. So car is the making a one of the human person or human body, but temple also making a human body or a person, a man, people. But sun is not making a people by the people for the people. Okay. Sun is natural things, not a artificial or not any making others. So fruits, here is fruits. It's a natural things. It's we give us from the trees. Okay. So plants. So this is a natural things. So we have to tick C or D. Okay. C number and D number. Then vocabulary. Match the opposite of these words used in the chapter. Okay. Some opposite word is here. Okay. जैसे for example, जैसे mother का father होगा, brother का sister होगा. Then you have to do the opposite word. Ugly. Ugly का क्या होगा? Beautiful. Dry. Dry का क्या होगा? Wet. Clean. Dirty, harmful, sad. Okay. So you have to do in your copy, in your book. First, ugly, beautiful, dry, wet, clean, dirty, harmful, sad. So the student, this one completed 59 pages. Then you have to do yourself. This is a find a circle while talk about things we do not do it. Water take it from the picture. One has been done for you. Then this one is done for you. Clean. Then you have to find out. Okay. Brush. I have to just do one question answer. So you have to find out a words. Okay. Words making. Then you have to circle. Okay. So let's do yourself. Okay. If you don't know, then I am here. I am asking next class. Okay. So don't worry. So first you do yourself in your home. Then read these lines, fill in the blanks. I had little nut tree and nothing would I it bear but silver, nutmeg and golden pears. The tree is little. Here is the answer. Okay. The tree is little. The nutmeg is silver. The pear is golden. Okay. So here little, silver, golden are words that tell us about the tree, nutmeg and pear. Such words are called describing words. Which were describing words? Describing words tell us more about people, place, animal, and things. So just you write a remember you what is describing words. Okay. So just you write one describing words. Tell us more about people, places, animals, and things. Okay. So this what is describing words? Here the answer is describing words tell us more about people, place, and animal and things. Okay. Then we have to underline the describing words. Here is the some words, okay, one of the small story, small poem. Monster under your bed. Monster, अगर तुम्हारे बेड के नीचे अगर monster आया है, so you have to just read it and underline the describing words. You know about what is describing word, okay? Then my face is purple, okay? What is described purple? Red color is the describing word. My face is purple, my tongue is red. My face is purple, my tongue is red. I am monster under your bed. My eyes are yellow, my beard are round. I come out when you are sleeping sound. My tongue is long, my face is square. I have ears interfere. The night is dark, the day is bright. I despair when you switch on the light. It's very good and very interesting poem. So you have to first read and you have to underline the describing words. Okay, it is your work. It is your homework. You have to do it. Okay. Then pronunciation. Some picture is here. Look at this picture. Say the name of the things in each picture. Allow circle the picture in name which vowels E sounds and as in C. Okay. Here is some E sound. What is this? I have just written egg, needle, pen, hand, queen, and do yourself. Okay, I am just knowing that you have to do yourself. Okay, so I leave it. What is this? First, you have to write egg, needle, pen, hand, queen, and what is this? You have to do yourself. Okay, so this one also completed. Okay, then this is underline the correct answer. Just I do the answer, then you have to write yourself. Okay, so dear student, first you open your copy. So dear student, see the book, underline the correct answer. Okay, here some words is here. I live on this ship or sweet or street. So first you just underline it. Okay, just I live on this. The answer is street. Okay, the second number just you do on E ship B crowds on the ground, so the answer is which? E and L on the ground, crowd on the ground. Okay, then number third, there is a plant, pink is a pink, there is a pink sweet seat or still on my bed. Okay, so here which is the right answer? There is a pink sweet seat street, so seat is the right answer, so you have to underline it. So last another question answer you have to do yourself. Okay, number 4, just I read, the lollipop was very green, sweet, still. So what is the right answer? You have to do yourself. Okay, the lollipop was very green, sweet, still. What is the correct answer? You have to do yourself. And number 5, I use a broom to sweep in the floor. So which one is the right answer? And three words is here: sleep, sit, sweep the floor. Okay. Then you have to do yourself. Then number 6, the cat did not want to feel meat greet a dog in the park. Okay, the sentence is I again repeat it. The cat did not want to feel meat greet a dog in the front. What is the right answer? In three words is here. So what is the right answer? We have to underline it. Okay. So dear student, we have completed 1, 2, 3 already. I just written in your blackboards, okay, which is the correct answer, and I have to underline that words, okay. So first, just I repeated for you knowing. Underline the correct answer. I live on the sweet street. So first answer is the street, okay. The second, an ill-shaped bee crawls on the ground, okay. So three words is here, so you have to already underline E. Okay. Number 3, there is a pink sweet seat street on my bed. Okay. Three words is here, so we have to underline seat. There is a pink seat on my bed. The lily was very green, sweet street. Do yourself. Okay. Then I use broom to sweep the floor. Do yourself. This one also very easy. The cat did not want to feel meat greet a dog in the park. Okay, do yourself. Then you have to homework in this listening and speaking. Listen the audio and match the following. So you have to listen your audio. Then you do yourself. Okay, Christmas tree, leaves, light, star, present, yellow, blue, and red here, a round, square, and rectangle, tall and green, shiny and golden, along the side. So what do you think happened in this picture? What are the children doing? Say few lines in describing each picture. So this is the some picture is here. Okay. What are doing some boys and girls or children is here. So we have to write a few words, 5 words, 10 words. You have to do yourself. Okay, in your mind. Okay. First you see what doing the children this year and this year. Difference the doing in this picture. Children are making fun. So you have to write some words in your copy and show me. Okay. Anything you have to write, but you have to first knowing and understand the picture. Okay, and then you have to write easily. Okay, so 5 words or 10 words. Do yourself. Nothing is the very important, but you have to do it correctly. Okay, so dear student, then number 63 page. Draw any object, rectangle, square, triangle, or circle shape colored with the color of your choice. Then you have to first draw object, any object, rectangles, square, triangle, a circle, color it with any color your choice. Okay. Then you have to draw some pictures, square, triangles, rectangle, circle, any you have to say. Do yourself in your book. Okay, write at least 3 sentences about things you have to draw. Write about what you have drawn, the shape of object, color you have to use. Then see the picture just for the example. Okay, write about what you have drawn. This one. Okay, the shape of the object, colors you have to use. Which color you have to use. So dear student. So dear student, this chapter also finished. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed a lot very much. Holi is the very enjoyable festival. Okay, so we have to complete Holi's class chapter 7 and others question answer you have to do yourself. Okay, it's very easy, not difficult. It's very easy. So do yourself, and I hope you have better understand and do all the question answer. So we have to meet in next class. So that time you have to do in your all the question answer homework and enjoy your video. And it's a very enjoyable festival Holi's class and read the book, okay, and understand it. First you read your book and understand and do your all the question answer. So dear student, thank you very much.